Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Let's make cheesy pepper toasties today. Who doesn't like them? They turn out perfectly crispy and are super simple to make. You'll love the recipe. Have you subscribed to my channel already? You'll need bell peppers chopped into long pieces, sliced onion, sprinkle some salt over the peppers and onion, and mix them. We leave this aside for about 5 to 7 minutes. Mix dried herbs. This has rosemary, thyme, oregano and basil, and some coarsely ground peppercorns. Grated mozzarella cheese, grated boiled potato. In a bowl, add in some stir-fry sauce, sweet chili sauce, and some light soy sauce. Mix well. You'll also need regular sliced bread. I'm using brown bread, you could use the white one. Butter, some extra virgin olive oil. The onion and pepper have released some water because of the salt. Just squeeze them slightly to get rid of that water and keep them aside. Heat some oil in a pan and add the onion and pepper. Cook them on high heat for a minute and a half. We don't want them cooked fully. They are almost done. So let's just add in the pepper and the mixed herbs and the sauce mixture. Turn off the heat. Add in the boiled and grated potatoes. Season with salt and just mix up everything. The potatoes act as a binder and we just want a hint of it. This is an onion pepper filling, so we'll have the onion and pepper as the majority ingredient. Just let the filling cool down slightly before making the sandwich. I have here some butter and olive oil that I'll melt in the microwave. Let's make the sandwich. Some of the pepper filling. Spread it out. Some of the cheese. And we'll want a lot of it. Add as much as you want or as much as you can. And we'll cover this with the slice on top just as it was inside the packet. And we'll press it hard. No need to trim the edges. Once it gets toasted, the edges will taste really crunchy and nice. Try the recipe. If you like it, leave your feedback in the comment section and share it with your friends. Let's toast them. My old and trusted toasty maker. I've just switched it on to preheat. The toaster has heated up. I'll use the olive oil and butter mixture to brush it. You can just use butter or just olive oil. I always use the mixture. Also on the top side of it. Place the sandwich. Press it down to fit it in. Close the lid. That has started off, and we'll know the toasties are done when it switches off. That has turned off. Let's take a look inside. Yes, that looks lovely. Look at the cheese that has oozed out. Nice and stringy. You just get it out. Separate the two toasties. Let's take a look inside. It's too hot. Serve the toasties hot or warm. The stringy cheese after the first bite is quite the surprise.